Hello, my name is Katia Mushovu, and I am a biomedical scientist and a research in the field of medical genetics in Mozambique. It's a pleasure to be here today to contribute on this debate on an important topic such as should universities in Africa introduce mandatory courses on genomics and bioethics for students in healthcare and life science. I will be at the affirmative side with my colleague Emmanuel from Nigeria. I would like to start by saying that genomics is the study of genomes, focus on the extraction, function, in mapping of the gene to understand diseases and develop personalized treatment. Meanwhile, bioethics is the study of ethical issues in biology and medicine, addressing topics like informed consent, privacy, and the responsible use of medical research, particularly involving vulnerable population. So, the introduction of mandatory genomics and bioethics courses in Nigeria in Mozambique universities is essential to strengthen biomedical research, improve the diagnostic of diseases, and enhance responses to public health challenges. Mozambique faces high rates of HIV, malaria, and tuberculosis, as well as underdiagnosed genetic disorders like sickle cell diseases, which could benefit from genomic approach. In Mozambique, we have a few institutes of research, such as Manisa Health Research Center and the National Institute of Health. Both are key on the health research institution in our country. For instance, Manisa Health Research Center specializes in epidemiological, clinical, and biomedical research, particularly focused on malaria, HIV, tuberculosis, and neglect and tropical neglected diseases. On the other hand, the National Institute of Health of Mozambique are linked to the Health Ministry, leads efforts to epidemiological surveillance, biomedical research, and public health policies. Additionally, it plays a critical role in monitoring outbreak and developing national and health strategies. However, despite these advancements, Mozambique still faces limited genetic research and molecular diagnostics capacities. As an open statement, I would like to quote a statement that we use a lot in Mozambique. This is in Portuguese, meaning that de pequeno se torce o pepino. Translating meaning that you bend the cucumber while it's still small. It means that early education and guidance shape a person's character and behavior. So, integrating mandatory genomics in bioethics courses into Africa's universities is crucial to step towards strengthening the country's health system, enhancing biomedical research, and ensuring ethical standards in scientific advancements. Africa persists in public health challenges and increasing involvement in global research initiatives, equipping future professionals with genomic knowledge and ethical principles. It's essential for a sustainable development in healthy and scientists. Having this knowledge and principle will help avoid the event that we had in Germany that results on the Nuremberg Code and also on the Belmont report. And so we came up with these arguments. First, training of the public health through genomics. We had recently in 2020, the outbreak of COVID-19. So this highlight the importance of genomics. So genomics improves diagnostic surveillance and precision medicine. So Mozambique and Nigerian NCDC use genomics in COVID-19 tracking. And in my country, we're still using also genomics techniques to malaria control. We also came up with enhanced local capacity for medical genetics and research. Like I said before, we must educate our research to strengthen them with knowledge to address these subjects. We have an example such as Nigeria 54 Gene Advanced African Genomics, and in Mozambique we have the National Institute of Health that contributes to this point. We also have ensuring ethical conduct in genetic research. As I said previously, ethical training prevents exploitation by ensuring that research and healthcare practices respect the rights of the individual. In Mozambique, we have the National Bioethical Committees for Health, and we also have the institutional bioethical committees on different healthy facilities that help evaluate and approve different researches. We also have strengthening pandemic preparedness and genomic surveillance and driving scientific innovation and bioethical development. So in conclusion, by making genomic and bioethics mandatory in Africa University, the country will enhance its healthcare system, empower local scientists, uphold ethical research standards, and strengthen the role in global scientific advancement. This is a strategic investment in essential for public health, research development, and national resilience in the face of emerging health challenges. As a rebuttal, we have, for example, the misalignment with the immediate healthcare priorities. We understand that the priorities of our government usually are not aligned with the priorities in the world, but using genomics aids in solving infectious disease, it has been proved to be good to improve the healthy system, such as in Nigeria that they have the genomic surveillance of HIV outbreaks that illustrate that genomic roles its origins in healthy care. We also have like resource and infrastructure constraint. We understand and we do accept that we have the lack of different infrastructure that can help improve or apply genetics in our healthy system. But we must start by investing in our education of our local researchers. And after that, we will have the collaboration between international institutions. We have the case of 52 Gene and Wellcome Trust Fund of Africa Genomic Research, for example. We also have the lack of standardized ethical and regulatory framework and high cost of implementation. These collaborations will help raise funds, will help linked between different institutions to strengthen both of them. We have different cases in Mozambique and in all over the African continent. One of the examples, H3 Africa project that adapts bioethical guidelines for the local needs. So, as a as a closing statement, I would like to say that integrating genomics and bioethics in Africa universities curricula is not only strategic investment in the country healthcare and scientific advancement, but also is a critical step towards ensuring ethical, sustainable progress in medical research and public health. By equipping students with the knowledge and skill to address diseases, improve diseases management, and uphold ethical standards, Africa can foster new generation and also can improve or strengthen the old generation, meaning the senior research, with capable driven innovation in addressing pressing healthy challenge. So this is not a dream anymore. This is possible. We can have different scholarship to learn and building new networks that will help in improve or strain our capacities of diagnosing these diseases. So now it's time to act. The time to act is now, and the future of Africa healthcare and scientific capacity depends on it. Questions, and thank you.